In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a Weebly website without publishing it. This task is incredibly handy when you're trying to fine-tune your website design and content before going live. We're going to walk through the process step by step, making sure it's clear and easy to follow. First, you want to start by navigating over to Square's free appointment scheduling software and booking app. It's important to begin here because Weebly integrates with Square, which provides you with access to their comprehensive dashboard for various functionalities. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, but for existing users, simply click on the Sign In button, which you'll find prominently displayed. Enter your login details to access your account and proceed to the next stage. Once you're logged in, head over to the Square dashboard. This dashboard is your control center where you can manage your Weebly site, among other things. Navigating here is straightforward. After signing in, look for the dashboard link or icon. It's typically easy to spot as it forms the nucleus of the tools and resources Square has to offer. Now we're getting closer to Weebly. From the Square dashboard, locate and click on the Weebly overview section. This will redirect you to the Weebly workspace, essentially a launchpad for managing and editing your Weebly sites. It's user-friendly and should familiarize you with how Weebly and Square are intertwined for seamless website management. With the Weebly overview page open, the next thing you'll do is to click on Edit Site. This is the part where you can start making edits and modifications to your Weebly site using their drag and drop interface. It's intuitive, allowing you to adjust every aspect of the website to your liking, from design elements to content layout. After making the necessary edits, there's a way to check your handiwork without publishing it. Look for the preview button. Clicking this will give you a full view of your website as it would appear live to visitors. This feature is crucial because it allows you to ensure everything looks exactly how you envisioned and functions perfectly before the site is released to the public. And there you have it. You can now explore and view your Weebly website without the need to publish. This process is especially beneficial for iterating on design choices and ensuring your website's functionality is spot on, up until the moment you're confident and ready to publish it for the world to see. Happy designing.